Well, ninjas, my first drive in the rain. Wow, it's funny for me. All the old things that I used to have and experience are now back again. Yeah, in the rain.
Thank you, Lord, for today.
Well, I'm back to my house, from Tel Aviv. I took the car back from, car fixing and all this. It cost me some money to clean the headlight and fix the... It's not stuff, we just pressed on something, right? And fix the front on the car. So now the car is balanced. Let's keep going straight. Yeah, man. Well, good job for the rain. The rain gonna clean my car now. My first rain in the road. Oh shit. Now with the rain they're gonna drive more slow. Like without rain they drive very slow. But now with the rain it's gonna be a very slow driving. Anyway, I don't know. I don't think I told you the price. The price was 1,970 shekel for fixing. It was something with the steering wheel. Like now. You see, I don't got my hands on the steering wheel strong. I kind of let it go and it's keep going straight like it should be. And it's cool, it's great, finally. Finally. Yeah.